None can afford to ignore this. Intel's latest move has everyone talking. Intel's share prices took a nosedive, plummeting by 20% after announcing a massive 15% workforce cut. That's around 15,000 jobs on the line. This comes as part of a $10 billion cost-cutting strategy following a significant $1.61 billion second quarter loss. CEO Pat Gelsinger says the investment in AI-capable core Ultra PC chips is crucial for future growth, despite short-term margin pressures. Revenue from the client computing group rose by 9% to $7.41 billion, but the data center and AI unit saw a 3% decline. Looking ahead, Intel projects a challenging third quarter, with an expected net loss of 3 cents per share on revenue, between $12.5 billion and $13.5 billion. This contrasts sharply with analyst expectation. Stay tuned as Intel navigates these turbulent times. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.